In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bookmarks on Google Chrome. Whether you've switched to a new computer or you're just looking to bring over your favorite websites from another browser, knowing how to import bookmarks can save you a ton of time. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open up Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the right account if you have multiple user profiles, as bookmarks are saved per profile. Once Chrome is open, we want to navigate to the top right corner of the browser. Here you'll see the three vertical dots, commonly referred to as the Chrome menu or More button. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we're going to hover over the Bookmarks option. You'll see a side menu pop up, and from there, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. This will open up a new window for you. In this new window, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu under From, which allows you to select where you're importing your bookmarks from. This is particularly useful if you're switching from another browser like Firefox, Safari, or the old Internet Explorer. Choose the browser that you want to import bookmarks from. If you have a bookmarks HTML file exported from a different browser, this is also where you can select that option. Now, you'll see several checkboxes indicating what you can import. Make sure that the Favorites Bookmarks box is checked. You might also see options to import autofill form data, history, and other settings. But for this video, let's focus just on the bookmarks. Once you've confirmed that the correct options are selected, hit the Import button. Depending on the size of your bookmarks file or the quantity of bookmarks you're importing, this process could take a few seconds to a minute. Once the import is complete, a confirmation message will appear, letting you know everything has been successfully imported. To double-check that your bookmarks were imported correctly, click again on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager. Here, you'll be able to see all your imported bookmarks neatly organized, either in the folders they were originally saved in or within an imported folder created by Chrome. If you have a lot of bookmarks, it might be a good idea to take some time to organize them into folders, making it easier to find what you need quickly. Remember, a little organization goes a long way in keeping your browsing experience efficient and enjoyable. And that's it. You've successfully imported your bookmarks into Google Chrome, making your browser just that much more personal and ready for your browsing habits. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most of your web experience.